Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Mike Lautzenheiser with Dad Life Fishing Adventures and Reece Life Dad Life, and we're here at a small creek to do some smallmouth bass fishing and to see what else we can get. So follow along and see how we do. So I'm going to start off by showing you the bait that we're using. Whopper, ploper, loon colored, medium size, not the smallest size they've got. We get into the fish that we think we're going to catch here. We don't need the little bitty one. Oh, hit it. Got a nibble. Got something on. I don't even know. Had definitely a couple bass trying to get it. This one, and a bigger one that was trying to eat it. So we'll see if we can get that bigger one. Finally, it's in action. Pretty fish. I think we can get some more action here. Oh! He missed it. He missed it. He missed it. It's a beast. Dang it. He was there. It's a total beast. I don't know. Will it bite again? We'll see. Oh gosh! There's multiple fish there. They're so aggressive. I don't want to scare them. I work so hard to get a decent bite, and here I find a spot with a decent set of fish in them, and they're not hitting them. Oh my gosh. They're getting lazy. Should I switch baits right now or try one more? I'm going to try one more cast and then I'm switching baits. I'm not spooking these fish. Got him. Oh yes. Got him. Oh, it's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh my. It's a really good one. Come on, fish. Oh, gosh, it's a big fish. Get out from... No, you can't go over there. Come here. This is a really good fish. Just trying to keep it moving this way. Keep it moving this way. Come on, baby. Get out. Don't go there. Oh, yeah. Nice fish. Oh. Creek bash continues. They're here, boy. Had to work for them. Nice fish on the whopper plopper. Probably. Look like a 16. That's a pretty fish. Yes. All right. He's going to stay around here. There he's going to go. All right, let's see if we can find this companion heel bite. Still action over there. Went from no fish to 3 fish. Or 2 fish real quick, so oh gosh, did you see that? He's not a big one, But he just ran that fish bait down. Ran it down. Ran it down. And it's not a bad one. Not a beast, but he ran that bait down. He wasn't letting that one go. Oh, fish. Are you kidding me? Ah. Man. It's like, fish, got him. No, no. Nice try, man. Oh, got him. Oh, yeah. Woo! Good one. Good one, good one, good one, good one. Come here. Man, he's just bulldogging. Another solid fish. Another one. Yes. Not as big as our other one today, but pretty. On topwater, that'll do. Woo. Spunky. You'll name that one Spunky. Alright. Well, I was worried today would be a bust. I was like, oh man. Picked the wrong direction. Well, there's been two, something. This was worried. If we find another couple action holes, we're gonna be cruising. It's not shallow here. Oh, got one. Got one. Not a big one, but he big enough that he came and walloped it. See, athletes. Athletes. Oh. Oh my gosh. Guys. Whoa. This is a big fish. It's either a really big fish or it's two fish. Oh gosh, it's just a big fish. Oh my gosh. This is a big old smallmouth bass. It is still so mad. Look at it. Oh, I don't want to get those hooks anymore. Then I want to land it. Wow. Whoa. Look at that fish. Oh gosh. Wow. Just look at that animal. Look at that animal. We're going to get a picture of that one. Whew. Holy snack dragons. Big. That one is about 18 and a half. Let's see her go. Wow. Snack dragons. Whopper, plopper, small streams, fall fishing. Boom, baby. Let's go do it again. See if there's another one. Oh, I mean, it swiped at it. I stopped it. It came and it just ate it. And it felt like a tank. It felt like a tank. Whew. Golly, kids. These fish are crazy. Oh, there's a bite. Got him. Not a big one. Got off. That's all right. Wow. Oh, fish on. Oh my gosh. We're back. Sorry about that. Part of the problems of trying to film some epic fishing is in the middle of your catch, when the battery goes dead, you miss that catch. I will show you a picture of it here right now, and took the time here while we were waiting for the battery to charge back up. As I stumble around, to retie everything, make sure it's good and tight, and get back in fishing. So we've been starting to catch some really good fish here, guys. It's been an epic fall of small creek fishing, topwater style, and I don't think we're done yet. So let's go see if we are. This whole time we've been walking upstream, which has been different. Last trip we started downstream, then walked back upstream on the way back. This time we're gonna make it a little bit easier on the way coming home. Here's some of the reason why those fish are getting so dang big. Look at that crawdad. He's mad. He would love to pinch me, but I'm not gonna let him. That is just so cool. Let you go, buddy. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot more crawdads today. There's always the bait fish, all sizes of bait fish, but a lot more crawdads, and there's been several big ones like that. It's funny, they move so far and then they just don't move anymore, and you just reach down and grab them. Why? I have no idea. They're like, I swear they can't see me. All right, so we're heading back. So we'll work our way down the creek here and see if we can't re-hit some of those holes that were working for us already today. So switching to the slower return bait. So just like I did last time on part 2 for our video from last week's fishing adventure. Not a big guy. Pretty first fish. Caught a little guy. Knocked the bait off and then still ate it. Another chunk on. Oh, there we go. Little guy. This bait does not help you sort out the littlest fish. I'll tell you that. You'll get them all. Littles, the bigs, all of this. there you go. Oh, another little guy. They feel good when they're biting though. Yeah, fishes they're so cool. Cool. Arr, 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 arr. Still cool fish, no matter what. Oh, oh. Got one. Another pint sizer. Oh, fish on. Ooh, good fish on. Okay. Oh, nice fish. Very nice fish. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Excellent fish. Ah, he got off. Ah, shoot. Well, he was there. On. Hit the switch back to the whopper plopper. Oh my god. Look at that rock bass hit the whopper plopper. That is a huge rock bass. Came up, whopper plopped it. Well guys, hey, just sitting here after one heck of a, 8-day period of fishing. Biggest smallmouth bass I've caught in Indiana for sure. Just so much fun. It's getting cooler out. Days are getting shorter, but the bass are getting bigger, and if it wasn't from last year catching some big bass in September and October, river fishing, I would never really have tried this, never really have thought that this was even possible, but took a gamble, brought some big topwater out. That whopper plopper is an animal. Just so excited to see everything, and I don't know. I'm excited to share it with you. What a week. It started with some small ones, and then they just got bigger. And bigger and bigger and bigger, and better and better and better. And wow. That's all I can say is just wow. Get out and go fishing. Dang it. If you're not, get going. It's your time. Do it. Have fun. We'll see you soon.